Good morning, dear students. In the last video, we have discussed about the browsing files on your computer, home folder, how to change the views of files, how to sort the files, and some of the system settings. In this video, we will discuss the remaining topics of second chapter. The topics will be, first one it is troubleshooting, second one universal access, third one onboard. First, we will discuss about the troubleshooting. Yes, in this topic, troubleshooting is the form of problem solving. Okay, often applied to repair failed products or process on a system. If you want to solve any simple problems which is occurring frequently, that we call it as that we can solve it through the troubleshooting. What are the some of the problems we can solve by ourselves? First one, power button is not starting computer. Second one, the screen is blank. Third one, an application is frozen, that is hanged. Fourth one, the mouse or keyboard has stopped working. And the last one, sound is not working. First, we will discuss about the first problem. Okay. That is, power button is not starting computer. When you press the power button, sometimes the system will not get start. In that time, what you have to do? You need to check whether the wires are connected properly or not. Okay, that is, check the power cord to confirm whether it is properly plugged in or not. Okay, this is the first one. Second one, the screen is blank. Sometimes we can see the system will show with a blank screen. Okay, when the screen is blank, there are chances the system is there in the sleep mode. Okay, if the system is in the sleep mode, what you have to do? You just move the mouse or you just press any keys from the keyboard, the system will start active again. Okay, that means it will start working again. When the screen turns blank, then there could be a possibility of sleep mode. We already know what is sleep mode? Yes. Next, an application is frozen. What is that? Application is frozen means sometimes when we are working with the sum of the applications, suddenly it will get hanged. Okay, that we call it as a application is frozen. In that time, what we have to do? We need to click on system monitor. Hanging means we cannot even move the mouse pointer will not be shown. That is not working, and keys also sometime it will not work. But most of the time keys will be working. Okay, so what you have to do? You need to open the system monitor. I'll tell you how to open. Press the keys Control plus Alt plus Delete. The combination of these three keys will get open the system monitor. So this is the system monitor screen. Okay, from the screen you can see some status it is written sleeping like that. Okay, what is that sleeping? That means the particular application is working behind. Okay, so select the application and in the right hand side bottom corner there is end process. When you select the application, it will get enabled. End process key will be get enabled. Then you just click on the end process. The particular application will be off or closed. Okay. Yes, the mouse or keyboard has stopped working. This is the next problem. When this problem occurs, you need to check if the mouse or keyboard is the wired one. First you need to check the wires are connected properly or not. That is, if it is wired, make sure it is correctly plugged in into the computer. Okay, in case of wireless mouse and wireless keyboard, make sure it is charged and it is turned on. Okay, we need to check whether it is charged or and the switch should be on. Then only that mouse or keyboard will be connected with the system. Okay. Next problem is about the sound is not working. When the sound is not working in the system, what you have to do? You need to check the volume level, audio player control, cables and headphones. Okay, we need to check whether the volume level is given or not. Okay, and you please check the audio player. Sometimes we kept in mute. Okay, please check that also. And then you need to check the cables. For example, some of them are having the speakers and all. Okay, so that speaker wire should be connected with the CPU. Okay, so that you need to check. And the headphones also we are using the wires, so that wire also you need to check it out. So in this 4 way we can solve this problem. So these are all the some of the frequent problems which is occurring in the system. Okay, with the help of troubleshooting we can solve all these problems. Okay. Next topic is about universal access. Universal access means inbuilt tool is called universal access. Okay, in this universal access there are 4 tools are there: seeing, hearing, typing, pointing and clicking. Okay, first you will see the first topic. When you open the universal access from the system settings, it will come up with this window. You can see here it is seeing, hearing, typing, pointing and clicking it is given. First, I'll tell you about seeing. By using seeing tab, you can manage the text size, text contrast of interface, enable zoom tool or even a screen reader. These are all settings we can do in the seeing part. Next is about hearing. Hearing means you can activate visual alerts through the hearing tabs. Okay. Next is about typing. Typing feature is used to change the settings of on-screen keyboard. Okay. There are 4 types of keys are there: sticky keys, slow keys, bounce keys, enabled by keyboard. Next one, it is about onboard. In Edubuntu, when you click on onboard, the onboard program allow you to write to create document using on the screen keyboard. Okay, when you click on onboard, you are able to see the onboard keyboard. Okay, when we are using this one, when the keyboard is not working properly, but we need to type something, an important work, so we can use this onboard keyboard. Okay, so how we are doing? Just type the name of the application in the dash icon and then the application will come appear. You just click on that onboard, so the screen will show like this. Okay, in the screen itself, monitor itself, you can see the keyboard. So with the help of onboard keyboard, you can type the content as like a keyboard, normal keyboard. Okay, so that's all about the first chapter. Thank you, students.